Sustainable farming we mangain at village level geo-economic development kurak vai maramni kamlangli farmers kazip rumi hai. Chandel Shong Assam Rifle na lupa crore chiko shikawi nishari tukui hai. Indian region now na gaji jithai kawai athar band mashabmana ji hai. Ringyaophi aja Tangkhul Express Pvt about Ringyaophi Ningshen in the banditani. Bao being my saina nang roomsa. Sustainable farming we mangain at village level geo-economic development kurak vai maramni kamlang kuli farmers kazip rumi haira. Kazip jitarik mukata jishatang kamlang kui community hall kamchong districtly rumida farmers taraka vazang. Farmers vadernity we ningchuk take a quick expertise ngatsing rokta kazip jipung mati gada pamachi. Ang ranang AG Tribal Resource Development Center TRDC na sponsor samida development for rural people di ngashik kala tribal days na katomida rung kamina. Kazip jili matu mesada entrepreneurs organic farming promoters yaring up Ningshen na lansinrin na vare shirin maramdi hangsang. Kamashungala Tarda Gajite Asak Ena Land Matui Kasang Lansinrin Maramlila Church na Tam Gajite Dargar Saya Gaji Yaringam na Hangsangam. Makamashung Ot Ena Tonga Kui Maram Kala local church na Tang Shangsang La village authority na Jam Kasang Maramlila Hangsang. Okutwili Aming Legahai Anand Gujarat we Amul factory ji farmers Taraka we hotnara na rakashok nagaji hangda ya ririndi hagkasang rekasang kwirakavai ashangvu we hotnara targar kasa kasatsang. Dietitians kala nutritionist Dr. Amei Shadang na karing karakala kashakazamaramni maduya. Kanui todli karing karak Maungata now being smartphones kala gadgets ka daily addict zida kabi atam makamata kamor makapa kashak kasai atam makacha hikatha hina phasa sa zigabai lengsa kada doctor jina hangjithaya organic kashakaza zakhavai processed kashakaza bakery products kashap ina dangda mashai khawai kasatsang mawi mahut lang millets gazala phaya nutritions Shanglaka gaji hangda langwi vakasang darkar kasa maram lahang sangam. Drain farmers, horticulturist ningringam kashungna kayai liwi sagazi maram lihang jitayam. Rivat mata kamay ara intercropping we kapa maram hang jitayam. Kui kagay maram ni teamlak kahai atui pan meina kui kay laga sa kui kabay maram lahang jitayam. Kazip chili vakazang farmers being chili Moringa kala Rosella Atha Yaumia. Pauhi TRDC program coordinator na Mikashokna. Jantil Shong Luba Crore Chiko Shikui Nishari Assam Rifle na Tukuhera. Nishari ji 35.41 kilograms kaya kalachi Pungzat Kasami Kanili Tukuhera. Anina Singzat Kasalupa 2.6 lakhs kala 4-wheelers Kani Kwimihira. Headquarters Inspector General of Assam Rifles IGAR South to Azingli Assam Rifles na aya confirm kasa tishuda contraband items stream Manipurli Myanmar we ina kwikazangna. Troopers ping jina Jandal District we T Pongmong New Songyang Axis kala Yangbo Bungli direct magada chikotang operations kavana. Atumna T Pongmol Junction New Songyang Axis kala Yangbo Bung Pamli multiple military vehicle checkpost hider operations kaza chilikari khani Yangbo Bung private vehicles checkpost li tukakwina kari check kasali band saga high nishari world is yours WY drugs atha lak katum changsayachi tukhui ka high khani ji paujang thang kipken ina khamin lun kipken hoda kovajang village more tengnopal district wiminada hanga ani khani Kala Ward Pingji More Police Station ni misang haira. Indian region now na gaji jithai khawai Aadhaar ban kala ration cards mang mashabmana haira. Hangda khale Aadhaar ban kala ration cards chi administrative kala welfare kan khana wuivang shab lapai kha documents pingji na Indian citizenship we definite proof masamana haira. Center Sarkar na hanga hai tishuda Indian Rujum now lakna gaji jithai khawai sarkarna majut khami documents ji birth certificate kala domicile certificate khani hina verification kazat adamli illegal foreign nationals tarakana Aadhaar Russian maninga kha ban guards singasa sampang kahai wihili center na tudaki kakuina dahanga ECI na phaikar kathar huida electoral rolls update sa khawai debt registration data electronics in a kuira PLO being standard photo ID layer kala voters information slip electoral friendly semira jaira Election Commissions of India initiative kathar jishat khamyate shuda phaikar je electoral rolls mushung mikhavai kala yari wuivang voting process kom mikhavai kasana Commissions china ara that registration data ji Register General of India eina electronically khuihaura Hina kathi Ningshen sakahai maram electoral registrations officers EROS pingli atam jada janpao sampang sakra Kalajina booth level officers PLOs ping janpao ji field visit eina re-verified kasali katomra Form 7 where zingli formal request mangarai nganauli mara kachi hanga Voters information slip VIS he Voters information slip VIS he voter friendly sem khawai commissions china designed mathame sem haira Voters with serial number gala part number ji mathame jithai haura mayek hakme thamida polling stations la polling officials pingna machut kakhui pai meira gata hanga PLO ping Li Rujum now bina majut pai me khawai la nghan ka khuili katharing male khawai da BLO bing standard photo identity card me khawai commissions china jizami hairam elections otingrut kasali voters in ECI wing chaili khalei BLO bingna khareng sada shimli kazadli athumli yarina pailak ina majut khui ka pai darkar sayada ECI janpao jili hangsang Nagaland Chong Contractual Assistant Professor kala librarians shaka hangmadi da shini wi otpam regular sami ka hai tuidakji Nagaland Sarkar na khalan chokhairam regular sakami jili yarina protest sarashum ka hai kala maramji yangsang khawai kasem high powered committee HPC wi interim report wi jili tuidakji revoke kasana cabinet tuidakji makamaya combined technique Association of Nagaland CDA and Nagaland NET Qualified Forums NNQF kala Naga Students Federations NSF jangda khalan khawai pora shumhaira sai CDA kala NNQF na protest kasa jimiksho tharuka haira sai chili NSF la khani tang jangam Chief Secretary na achon thang jishat khamia thishuda khayon 17 2024 in a khaying 10 2025 li mikushok absorptions order ji revoke sahiram cabinet tutak kakhalan ji Nagaland Sarkar spokesperson cabinet minister KG Kenny na confirm sada Department of Higher Education walungli procedural kashoy lega highly pen department jina cabinet ling wida theikhui ngasak hawad hangam High Power Committee with final report hapta khani Tangkhul shikawi alungli mirada Kenya na hangam chiwa thishuda maram chiwi tuidak raraji Lithui ka hai kari Manipur police na phagakhui machine shakha kashungi ji hairan kari phagakhui operations che acha jang khaying tarik thrada thruk ina hawphoka acha hon tarik magada chiko thang special police team na kari phanga recover sai chiwing chaili akha Assam registered kasa dumper truck zangam kalaji mayo tarik thumrada akha thang Assam muina lithui hai kasana ji truck ji Ukhrul district police kala Assam police deng room da taluibam ni tukhuyaji kari ji akhawa Abdul Jalil li hanmi haira da hana khaying tarik thrada thruk ina hapok da thumraina dangda walungli police na crackdowns thrashi da zada kari hang chiko da shini ga da sambang haira da hanga Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat wi opamaramli makamushung appointment kamili ngasunda State Police na mi khani tukhui haira Manipur Police Control Room na shokthang chanpao mi kushoka thishuda zingom hangmati da khani salam primila janu singjame jingmakha street d leka Imphal West wi mi kala Palace Compound Imphal East wi mi zingom hangmati Laishram Rocky Singh anili horthang tukhuyam Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat Willy Supervisors aka MDS 5FA2 LDC1 kala accountant 1 jangda regular otpam gada dei de wi appointment letters maram tarik mukada shini thang pawmi shim akhna pawmi da thaiga khuina kala ji mama shungmana da Manipur Legislative Assembly na third commission appointment result kala appointment letters mami shok lak mana gaji tharmi ka haina maram hiling sunda tukhui ka hai khani ji police custody li leida hang Indian Sarkar na ceasefires mashur thura gaji Naga Army na pongshok da ceasefire ka hai ma ka hai hangshing khawai Indian Sarkar li kashir haira ajahon tang Naga Army camp Assam li attack sa shok da jina saklak ina ngathan khui ka hai Indo Naga peace process li sajha haira ta kaji hang maram hi General Headquarters Naga Army Publicity and Information Bureau na mikashok na attack sao chochi tarik magada chiko thang New Kupin village kala Hirakilu village madak ngohongbam ni kashok na chi chili leka sa Iloi Ho Battalion Naga Army cluster camps li Indian Security Force kala Assam Police we combined force na attack sana da Naga Army na hang panglak aina khangakap chili khanini shi kathi zangachi Chanpao jina kahang eyewitnesses were tishuda Indian shibai taraka tisang la zakshilagina saza hang Naga Army wishong la shibai katum tisang da atum na avuram kala wuivang mirin chikat kamili khayagashi Chanpao jili kapishoka 1997 kum ceasefires khangawao tharan competence ping ngaring ngarokra kala khayashi ngarokra gaji hizanga corporations with spirit chi kachi katha abamni mashur pai thuwa kaja apama khali ngarar ngarok laga apama khawak chingri khawai chan ngazek khuiga ka khalat malai mana kachi hangsana agreement atishuda Naga Army camps Naga inhabitants areas li high ceasefire agreements with ground rules shura ka thriga ha tamni Indian Security Force na ladlui da ceasefire spirit chi mashur thuwa kaji Naga Army Chanpao jili hangsana unprovoked attack chi ceasefire agreements li matun khamakan ngasayam chingri khawai sada khalei diplomatic efforts li kahat ngasaya da hang Assam kala Arunachal Pradesh wi Naga pamli ceasefires khalei ka makhalei kala Indian Sarkar na ngaririk hangshok ran haira kala chiwe thishurda abam bingji conflict zones na Maning managaji rara da NSCN GPRN Naga Army General Headquarters eina mikashok PIP we Chanpao jili hangsanga Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination CISCE New Delhi we class 10 and 12 results shokaira kala Ukhrul district li ISCE kashur worship akamang kaje shangshak changra phungli khale patkai Christian Academy we katam nauping na porekhali mathalagena kasa sampanghaira Class 10 and 12 for Council Result 2025 for Wang Worship Jina Mai Khaya Pongshok the Borekali 100% Makan Kakui Sampanga. First Division in a letter marks majority records Sampanga Gaji Paumi. Class 12 li Sonim Raikan 80.75% subject Kanili marks 80 Gada Sampanga. Ning De Kim Kipken 82% subject Katumli 80 Lang the Sampanga Kala Hing Mong Kim Kong Sai na 87.25% subjects katumli 80 lang akali 91 kada sampanga class 10 ni Shimra Sopilan na 75.2% Shimre Tan Ramhing Shimra na 75.4% Sowon Lunglo na 70.2% Ungram Sem Hongwa na 71% Prilung Riki na 73.8%, Christina Longlo na 61.6%, Shaingamla Longlo na 71.60 sampanga. Class 10 katam nauping subject akali marks 80 gagashung home science li katum science li akazanga. Tangkhul 100 wili 80 gagashung katam nau tharuk zanga. Patkai Christian Academy class 12 result achakum ni achugum percentage mathami letter marks kala star marks chungme sampanga ji. Result kamataji chushut me being with dedication ina karana kaji worship ju principle la mishok Chanpao li hangda worship jina mathame savara kaji shit kasang pongshoka worship jina kadam now being li congratulate kasai nang soda rakara atam hor mikhavai shalam hangjipuna ladluita ajewi kamata ya pauping sustainable farming wuivang aina village level geo-economic development kurak vai maramni khamlangli farmers kazip pungni hai Chandel Shong Assam Rifle na lupa crore chiko shikawi nishari tukui hai Indian region now na gaji jithai khawai athar band mashabmana ji hai Aje wuivang healing achang haira paung ana da thaina thum saikorali Ringyaophi kala khamhai simik shong sa serana